We are answering the query how to buy shares of Bilibili-ADR and walking through the basic steps. Bilibili is a Chinese online entertainment and video platform traded on NASDAQ under the ticker BILI, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a broker account to trade, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker BILI to find the listing for Bilibili-ADR. Select the result that specifies NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company description and the price chart to confirm it is Bilibili-ADR. Verify the exchange label shows NASDAQ and the ticker BILI to be sure it is the right listing. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next market session. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the transaction. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can track it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.